Okay, what do you guys? You guys want to try this? Look at it, huh? Huh? You guys want to try this? How about you guys? Huh? Come on. Where are you guys at in there? Come on.
I guess they want to.
Okay.
Oh.
All right. You guys want some of this, huh? All right. There you go.
Can I get a seed to
Come
put
on.
them in my cake? Hey, Dad.
They're afraid of us. Who's going to be the brave one?
Dad.
Oh, we got a couple.
Oh. They put in the cakes. Ah. See.
Oh, we got one.
I want
Hey, girl, you want some? Want to try some? Yummy, yummy.
to seed in my cake.
Awesome.
This is for you guys.
Now we need some more
Oh,
seeds.
Mama, it's okay.
I want another seed to put in my cake. Can I have a seed?
Oh, really? You're too good for pumpkin. Does nobody in the world really like pumpkin?
My type of chickens.